Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you don't know how to make multiple YouTube channel with one Gmail account or one Google account, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to make second YouTube channel with one Google account. To do that, just open any browser on your device and search for youtube.com. Now from here, just click on this profile icon here on the top right corner and switch to YouTube Studio. Just click on this. Now in the left panel you can see there is option settings. Just click on that. Now click on this channel tab. Now this time tap on this advanced settings. Now scroll down and tap on this manage YouTube account. It will open a new tab, and from here you can see there is option create a new channel. Just click over here. Now you just need to write your new YouTube channel name here, like and set a username. After that, just click on this create channel. You can see our second channel is created with same Gmail account. If I show you from here, you can see in the switch account, in the similar Gmail account with one Gmail account, I have two YouTube channel right now. So this is our second channel and this was our first channel with the same Gmail account. So basically this is how you can create multiple YouTube channel with one Gmail account. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.